All right now, message to Nigel Clarke. Nigel Clarke, I may talk to you, one Maroon warrior. I sent out a message to your boss, Andrew Holness, last week, and the video went viral. And I hear that Andrew Holness got my video. I don't know how true it is, but you know, social media, Andrew Holness would have more likely got the video and hear what I say. In that video, I told Andrew Holness, do not listen to Bunting, Golden, and Dayton Campbell because they are not politicians. They must sound like unscrupulous people where they formed a failed political experiment within the PNP and now coming to the public to get political legitimacy. We're not working with them there. You understand? So I say, Andrew, listen to the people of Jamaica. The Jamaicans at home and at the diaspora. Because when you are wrong, we the people, I will tell you say you're wrong. So listen to the people. Now, Nigel, today, me go tell you the same thing. Listen to the people. You see that something about SSL, where you come say you give SSL employees them $1.5 million a month in a salary. I don't want to hear why you do it. I don't want to hear what cause you. Me go just tell you right now, say you have to go reverse that the decision there. A year. And you know why you have to go reverse that the decision the Nigel Clarke and me I get to the end of the week is when I tap lick it like a one Maroon drum. Because you see the $1.5 million where you get SSL? Remember SSL under investigation for some criminal activities, you know. So how can you be investigating this entity? Private entity. Them is not a government-owned entity. Because if they are and we don't know, tell me from now. Right? How can you be shelling out 1.5 million of taxpayer money? SSL can't pay them people. They can't pay them people, you know. A whole heap of money then thief, you know. So they can't pay them people. So why is it that you taking out taxpayer money and give them while them are under investigation and the government and the police are investigate them? That does not add up, Nigel Clarke. You are behaving callous. You are behaving cruel. You are behaving unconscionable. You are behaving like a hypocrite. And I'm calling on you right now to come out and reverse that decision and apologize to the taxpaying Jamaicans. Yesterday, I was at the Atlanta annual Jamaican Jerk Fest. And you know what was said down there? We make me have to hang my head in a shame as a proud Jamaican in the diaspora. So, me hear some people were the charity for healthcare in Jamaica come make one announcement on a big microphone. About 6,000 people down there. And I hear them say that they're raising funds because the healthcare situation in Jamaica is horrible. Ask anybody way down there, me know they hear it too. So here what me I say now. You are going to take out 1.5 million of Jamaica people money. Because una managers are the people in money and phone money, you know. And you're going to take out a $1.5 million and give to SSL employees. When you could have put that $1.5 million there. Even though it's a little bit compared to the level of problems in the healthcare system. I could have said, go for the security ministry because we have a crime problem in the country. So much things you could have do with the taxpayer. Remember, I'm a servant of the people, you know. Right? When you see a news come out when they say some Indian people want to come to Jamaica to come open some dialysis centers and some dialysis clinic. Now you tell me, dialysis has been a standard treatment for people with kidney issues since the 1970s. Now at 2023, I have to tell me say in Jamaica, una have make some Indian people come there. Because una can't think innovative around here. So una can make some Indian people come to Jamaica, come open up some dialysis center. Eh? And you can take 1.5 million of taxpayer dollar and give to SSL. You know what you need for do? Una need for do? Una need for hurry up and tell the Jamaican taxpayers them who and who over SSL are rob and thief them. And make sure justice is served. That's the only job we're supposed to have a do for deal with SSL right now. What kind of money you not get an employee? Jamaica taxpayer business with them? Eh? Stop them something there. Members say in this time in Jamaica, the people are very apathetic. The people have been apathetic because what is happening in Jamaica in our politics, the political climate, it is nothing but selfishness, sabotaging, undermining. It's terrible. It is historically terrible. So you want me to say to you now, Mr. Nigel Clarke, reverse yourself. Apologize to the people them and reverse that decision. What happen with SSL employee them is not taxpayers' business. You don't have no reason for you try salvage or try pay salaries for SSL, because you know what? SSL had been warned many times. They're not following the regulations of financial institutions and what they should be. Remember them flagged many times, right? They're not following the guidelines and the regulations, and those who put down those regulations never make sure say then go one side if they not follow it. So they were heeded. So right now taxpayers no business with them. Make the taxpayer money go into something that is going to benefit the taxpaying Jamaicans of the country. What you're doing is wrong. We the people, I'm talking on behalf of the sensible people in Jamaica and the diaspora. Nigel, reverse yourself and don't make this become a campaign against you. You understand? Remember, you know in a good graces with the people right now, you know. You hear? The opposition was sound, but who not in a good graces with the people? So, River and Andrew Holness, me want to know what you think about this year. We want to know. You are in boss. So contact to me now.